Inside the living nightmare of a rabies infection, our body becomes an eerie battleground. The virus exploits our own cells to multiply. Rabies doesn't kill quickly. It's a slow, insidious invader, making its way to the brain, where it wreaks absolute havoc. Now, this isn't just about damage to brain cells. Rabies disrupts crucial communication lines between the brain and the body, causing fatal paralysis. The virus then triggers a terrifying symptom, hydrophobia or fear of water. This happens because swallowing becomes torturous agony. The final blow, however, is its assault on the respiratory system. Breathing becomes impossible, leading to a cruel, inescapable suffocation. In the end, rabies forces the body to destroy itself. It's not just a virus, but a silent, deadly puppeteer. Remember, prevention is the best defense. Vaccinate your pets and stay vigilant to keep this killer at bay.